What's up, YouTube? This is Mike with Mike's Car Hole. Today I just diagnosed my brother was having issues with his AC. He came up to visit me from South Carolina, and his cigarette lighter charger wasn't working. So I told him I'd fix it while I was here. Usually I will try to start at the most common denominator before I do anything else. So in this car, I'll show you where the access panel is for that, where the fuses are. And for my case, it ended up being just a fuse. So I'll show you the process. So on the S80, this is 2011 S80, there's just a little access panel under the glove box. So this panel will be up here, other way. It'll be up here like this, and that's plugged into the light down below. And it's got two star bit. I used an T20. And then after that, it was just removing, there's a cover on here, which will give you, there's a cover on there, so it's up here on that. And it tells you each one. Mine ended up being 22. I used needle nose pliers, makes it easier to get in there. So I pulled it out. This one is bad. Let's see if I can show you. I don't know if it's showing there. Anyways, this has ended up being why his cigarette lighter wasn't working. And what made me think that there was something more with the fuses is because this one went out, and then there's one in the back. They both went out at the same time. So sometimes you can replace these. So I'm gonna find a new fuse, put it all back together, and that'll wrap this video up. But this was a pretty quick, easy fix. Don't be scared when just little things go wrong with your car. A lot of times it is the easiest fix possible. All right, so an update. I was right. We did fix the AC, or the charging setup. When I said you had to take down this panel right here with the two bolts, I was wrong. You have access to that panel right there. So I removed it and didn't need to. For some reason, I thought the fuses were up underneath of this. So the box is there. So, but yeah, we tested it, it works. Simplest solution oftentimes is the correct one. Thanks again for watching my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.